Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add guests or you can invite guests to your ClickUp. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just bring a simple ClickUp, and there is like difference between a member and a guest. You can actually invite guests to space and to your workspace. The only way how you can invite guests or add guests is by adding it to your list, folders, or items. So yep. As you can see, when I'm going to like my space here, and I would just click here, 3 dots, and I would try to share and permission right here. Spaces can be shared with members. You can add guests to folders, lists, and tasks after creating a space. So when I go here to my folder, or how would I call it, and I'm going to 3 dots here, and I will click here, sharing and permission. I would add here like mail, right? And click next. And here you can see that, okay, it's going to be guest, not the member. And now you can change the full access. I need to upgrade the plan if I want to, or you can edit as view only, comment, or edit. So that's literally up to which one you prefer. And this is what you can do also for like ideas here and sharing information. Again, I would edit. And again, guest, and I just change like that. So yeah, have a great day everybody, and goodbye.